nothing crazy going on. We're just chilling. Oh boy! The boy trying to race?
No more heroes, they ain't ready for the new shit. Ayy, just sit back, see how I play it. Shots, just switched it up a notch. Let the dough cook on the stove. Got a 40 on me right now. I ain't never scared.
What's going on, Fast Life family? It's your boy Fast Life Prince, and I'm back to you again with another YouTube video. In this video, got big slime. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a little drive in my straight pipe Q50. So I want to do this video because I'm gonna put on my downpipes soon. As you guys can see that in my previous video, you guys seen that I got downpipes for the Q. So I'm putting on my downpipes soon, and it's not gonna sound the same. And everyone loves the sound. Everyone loves the sound of it right now. So I feel like, I don't know, because it's AMS 3-inch downpipe. So I feel like it's gonna sound better. It might sound worse, but I feel like it's gonna give it just a little bit more of a better sound. You guys can see the downpipes right there. So yeah, I feel like it's gonna give it more of a better sound and less muffled, even though it's not really that muffled, but idle's pretty good. You hear that idle? So I'll put the camera right behind, give you guys a couple revs. Put in sport mode, make sure the valves open up. I'm just playing, I don't got no valves. Hear that sound? That sounds good. It's kind of cold outside. Well, not cold, but cool and windy. So it should be pulling pretty good, but I don't want to get too dark because I kind of want to make it like a sunset POV. I see you guys more like the sunset POVs. Let me know, man. Let me know in the comment section down below. You guys like the nighttime POVs or the sunset POVs or daytime, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm gonna put on this POV cam and we're gonna go for a drive. Put this thing in sport. Traction off. Drink of water, stay hydrated. And we outside. Madness start. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna miss the sound of this car once these downpipes get put on. But like I said, I feel like it's gonna sound better. Cause I haven't heard a straight pipe Q50, no resonators, no muffler, with AMS 3-inch downpipes. I usually hear them with a muffler, or you hear them with like a resonator, or you just hear them with a whole exhaust system. So hope this is gonna sound good. Drop my windows down. Here we go. Yo, it's just spinning, yo. Is just spinning. Machine, wallet corner, wallet, big slide, wallet. Oh my god. You know the next one. Hit the apex. Apex. Yeah man. Strong. Where is that man going? What the? Oh my god. Machine. Dog, it just spin. Yo, it just spin that whole time, yo. Good to go. Whoa, but easy. Look for the bomber clad idiot, man. Yo. Yo, man, I'll take it easy upon this one, you know. Oh my god. Oh, what? What up on the test drive? Must dip on a test drive, man. Mercedes-Benz of Coconut Creek. Yo, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. You guys see the madness while I go on. Oh boy! Bomba. This man wanna play it now. Yo! Madness! Wanna hurry up and drive up the mat? Oh, well, you put these windows now. Okay. Ain't nothing crazy going on. We're just chilling. We're in the streets of Mexico, man. Oh, mud, you hear that one? Oh, mud. You're a big slime. Nice little sunset POV, man. Put the windows back down. Hear that exhaust. You know how it pops sometimes? I wonder how it's gonna pop now. I wonder how that one pop is gonna sound when I get these downpipes on. My shit. Wow. Where you do, man? What the boy I do? Infinity upon infinity crime. Boy, I know the time. Yo, look what the boy I go through. Alright, brother, alright. Yo, how you have so much stickers on your car, yo? Man put on every last sticker MC on the car. Wonder just press the gas now, man. Oh, look at the green light. Oh my God. Right up this. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. My shit. Don't shift. Except for don't shift. Don't shift. Yeah, there we go. Don't shift again. Yeah, man. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Shoot out. Shoot out. Give her a launch. Ooh, little pop, little pop. What? Give you guys a little launch at this light. That's if nothing gets behind us, you know? And the boy trying to race? Gone, we gone! Gone, we gone, brother. Gone, we gone. The boy trying to take off with me. Gone, we gone, man. Oh, you mean? Bro, that spun. I had to let off because it just spun too much. And we got dark quick. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. It was a nice little POV drive. Might be the last POV drive that you guys are gonna hear with the stock downpipes on. I don't know. Might have another POV drive, but that's gonna be it for this video, man. Let me show you guys the car. It got dark so quick, but I was gonna go to the wash to wash it down, but it's kind of cold. Well, it's not really cold, but it's gonna get cold, and you know, I don't want to be out there washing down the car and then I'm over here like freezing up type stuff. But yeah, what I want you guys to do is rate Big Slime in the comment section down below 1 through 10. Let me know what you guys think. 1 through 10. Give Big Slime a rating in the comment section down below, man. 1 through 10. But yeah, so this might, like I was saying, this might be the last video, last POV drive with the stock downpipes on before I put on my lower downpipes. But I don't know, I might have another POV drive with the stock downpipes on, but we'll see, man. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We on over to 10,000 subscribers, man. Fast Life family, pushing, we growing, and we gonna keep going. You know what I'm saying? That rhyme. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button too, cause it rhyme. But yeah, so hit the like button, it helps out a lot. Also, rate Big Slime in the comment section 1 through 10. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, it's your boy Fast Life Prince. Catch you guys in the next one.